Hi everyone, Dr. Monica here, pharmacist over at MD Custom RX. I wanted to take this opportunity to hop on YouTube and tell you about a couple new products that we are really excited about around here. I don't want to talk too long, but I really want to let you guys know about these products. They are geared towards women, and they're put out by Endo professionals who are the leaders in hemp extract and CBD containing products. Now, in case you didn't know, I in fact was really surprised to hear about this myself, but the female reproductive system contains so many endocannabinoid receptors. Actually, you may know how rich the brain is of endocannabinoid receptors. The female reproductive tract contains just as many endocannabinoid receptors as the brain. So that is amazing. So what that means is that CBD can have an impact on almost every aspect of female reproductive health, from ovulation, menstruation, vaginal integrity, our ability to achieve and experience pleasure, sexual pleasure. So that is just huge. So knowing this, the experts and scientists at Endo professionals are really beginning to hone in and study the effects and the benefits that CBD has on the female reproductive system. And taking this knowledge that they've discovered, they came out with these two new products. So this one, let's see if I can get the camera to focus in on that. This is called their Endo Relief Cream. And so that word, that endo, really hits home or makes me think of endometriosis. This product, the Endo Relief Cream, is designed to help alleviate pain associated or pain in the female reproductive tract. So endometriosis is a prime example of this, but other syndromes that would result in pain could be pelvic floor dysfunctions, neuropathies, pain with intercourse, any type of pelvic vaginal pain. Let me circle back to endometriosis though, because there is some really exciting results and evidence that is emerging on that front in terms of the effect CBD has on endometriosis. So we know, of course, endometriosis is basically when our endometrium escapes the uterus and starts to grow outside of the uterus. And the impact of this is extremely painful. It can impact how other organs and systems can work. And so Endo is part of research that's being done in Australia. And the results of this study are scheduled to be released at the end of the year. Maybe some preliminary results will come out this summer. But one of the doctors involved did share with Endo some extremely exciting things that they've been finding. So basically, they're able to grow endometrial tissue, and it is human endometrial tissue. And they expose these tissue samples to different concentrations of CBD to gauge the efficacy of CBD. And they first started with 250 micrograms of CBD per ml. That was the concentration. And what they found were that the endometrial cells vanished. They died off. And so the researchers started exposing the cells to less and less CBD concentration of 150 micrograms per ml. Had same effect. 50 micrograms per ml, same effect. They were able to go as low as 10 micrograms per ml and still cause cell death in this endometrial tissue. This is extremely exciting because we're not just talking about changing the symptoms or making decreasing inflammation or decreasing pain reception. We're actually talking about changing or mitigating the disease itself. And it's extremely surprising that so little CBD is having these results. So for sure, if you know anyone with endometriosis or any kind of endometrial pain, pelvic pain, vaginal pain, please tell them about this incredible product, Endo Relief Cream. And this comes as a tube with an applicator in it, and so it's inserted vaginally. And that can be for anyone with acute pain or chronic pain. The second product that Ananda has released is this Flora Balancing Gel. This too is used intravaginally. It comes with a vaginal applicator that you would fill and then insert vaginally. And as the name of this product implies, this is really for maintaining the integrity of our vaginal flora. So it's often talked about good bacteria that should inhabit our guts. Well, the same is true with our vaginas. We should have the good bacteria should inhabit our vaginas, and that keeps the bad stuff away. It helps keep the pH low and in a healthy range. And so many things can throw off our vaginal flora. Hormone imbalances, stress, diet, antibiotic use, all kinds of things. And so this product is particularly helpful for anyone that might be experiencing recurring vaginal infections, yeast infections, bacterial infections. It's also would be really great for any woman who's experiencing occasional or frequent vaginal itching, vaginal burning. Also anyone that is having difficulties with vaginal dryness. So the Flora Balancing Gel contains some additional products. It has some vegan lactic acid, and that helps, as I previously mentioned, our vagina should be a little acidic. And so that helps keep the pH where it needs to be. It also has prebiotics from chicory root. And prebiotics you can think of as food for the healthy bacteria. And so, of course, like anything, if you feed it, it will grow. And so by giving prebiotics to the probiotics, or the healthy bugs, you're helping them to increase in numbers, helping to repopulate the vagina. It also has some great things. In addition to CBD, it also has seaweed extract in there that helps moisturize the vaginal tissues. So this can be a really great product for anyone that's suffering from dryness, as I mentioned before, or even if you're already using like a vaginal estrogen type product for your vaginal dryness, this can be used in conjunction with that with great effects. So that's about it. I'm really pumped, really excited about these products. I think they're going to be really great for helping women with maintaining and obtaining vaginal and reproductive health. Thank you so much for tuning in. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.